नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा।
Hello everyone, good morning. Before going to start today's topic, let me ask you some introductory questions. So, what do you see in this picture? Yes, it is a peacock. Now look at the word properly. Here, P is a letter, E is a letter, A is also a letter, C-O-C-K also letters respectively. Can you tell me now how many letters are there in the word peacock? Count it. Yes, it has 7 letters. Now tell me, what do you see in this picture? Yes, it is an aeroplane. Now count the letters. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, there are 9 letters in the word aeroplane. Now, can you guess the topic? Yes, today we are going to learn about the English alphabet. Our first lesson from Holy Faith Grammar, the English alphabet. I know most of the children more or less know about the English alphabet, as you have already learnt in your previous class. So children, can you tell me how many letters are there in English alphabet? Yes, there are 26 letters in English alphabet and they are from A to Z. Okay, now we will categorize all the letters in 2 parts. First one, vowel part, and the second one is consonant part. At first, you have to write all the letters in the following ways. In first row, you write 4 letters A, B, C, D, 4 letters. Then in second row, again write 4 letters E, F, G, H, 4 letters. Okay. Then in next third row, you write I, J, K, L, M, N, 6 letters. Okay. The next one, O, P, Q, R, S, T, 6 letters. Okay. Then in last row, write U, V, W, X, Y, Z, 6 letters. Okay. So, in first 2 rows, you have to write 4 letters. And in last 3 rows, you have to write 6 letters. Okay. Look at the first column, children. What do you see there? Yes, the 5 letters, they are A, E, I, O, U. So these 5 letters are called as vowel letters. Remember it properly. A, E, I, O, U, 5 letters are called as vowel letters. And the rest of 21 letters are called as consonant letters. Understood? Okay. Then the next, the most important thing is that about dictionary order. So what does it mean? It means the order of letters. Remember, I am telling you again, the order of letters is called dictionary order. Let's take an example. Write the words like cat, dog, basket, get. Okay. Now arrange it in dictionary order. What will you do here? At first, look at the first letter from each word. From cat, C is the first letter. From dog, D is the first letter. From basket, B is the first letter. And then the last one, from get, G is the first letter. Now think, in your whole English alphabet, which letter comes first? C, D, B or G? Yes, B comes first. So at first, write B for basket. Then think about it. C, D or G? Which one comes first from these three letters? C, D or G? C comes first. Okay, so write C for cat, basket, then cat. Then D or G? D comes first, so D for dog. Then the last one, get. So here you found basket, cat, dog and get as your dictionary order. Understood? Okay. Now let's take another example. God, girl, Gita, get. If you get this type of words, how can you order them? At first, you have to write the first letter from each word, which are the same as another. So, G, G, G and G. Now look at the second letter. Second letter is, in God, the second letter is O. In girl, the second letter I. And in Gita, the second letter E, and get also second letter E. So think about it. O, I, E, E. Which one comes first in your mind? Yes. From the whole English alphabet, which one comes first? E comes first, but there are two E. So E, E, then write I and O. Okay? Yes. So here you get two words, G-I-R-L, girl, and G-O-D, God. Now you have left only two words, G-E and G-E. They are Gita and get. Now think about the third letter. Here in Gita, the third letter is E, and in get, the third letter is T. So which one comes first? Yes, very good. Gita comes first. So at first you have to write Gita, then the second word get. So here you have to write Gita, get, girl, God as your dictionary order. Okay children, so that's all for today. Practice the lesson properly and repeatedly. Keep learning. Thank you.